Hamstring curl, lying cable. If your gym only has a seated hamstring curl, or if you're training in a home gym with access to a cable machine, this is a great alternative to the traditional lying hamstring curl. To set it up, place a flat bench close to the cable machine. I'm using a weight belt to attach my ankles to the cable. Clip the belt into the cable first, then fold it over so you can step your feet inside, positioning the belt around the back of your ankles. Before lying down, place a small yoga block, ab mat, or firm pad under your hips. This creates slight hip flexion, similar to the lying hamstring curl machine. It also reduces pressure on the lower back and makes the position more comfortable during the exercise. Now grip the bench, jump your knees onto the seat and lie face down. Hold onto the base of the bench for stability. When your legs are straight, make sure the weight stack is slightly lifted off the rest of the plates. We want tension throughout the entire range of motion. If the stack is resting, move the bench slightly further away from the cable machine. From here, contract your hamstrings hard and pull your heels towards your glutes as far as you can. At the top, squeeze. Then control the eccentric as you slowly extend your knees back to the starting position. Don't let the weight pull you down. Own the lowering phase. You'll probably notice that this feels harder than the standard lying hamstring curl machine, and that's normal. With a cable, tension stays more consistent throughout the entire range. On most machines, the load changes depending on the lever and the strength curve. With the cable, you don't get the same mechanical assistance. You'll also feel the friction of the pulley system, and every cable machine is slightly different. So take time to experiment and find the load that allows full range of motion and controlled eccentrics. Focus on control, tension, and quality of contraction. That's your lying hamstring curl with the cable machine. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.